Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by verifying which Suzuki Swift key you have because battery size differs. Most flip keys use CR1620, some older models use CR2032. Once done, position the key blade out or removed and lay it on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Use a small flat screwdriver or coin at the slot seam, pry gently to split the two halves. You should hear a faint click when the case separates. Make sure to note orientation of internal parts before moving on. You now remove the old cell. First, photograph the orientation so you replace polarity correctly. The positive side usually faces up. Use a plastic pry tool or non-metal pick to ease the battery out from under retaining clips. Metal tools can short the circuit. If there's a metal holder, gently flex it, do not force, so the battery pops free. Once out, check the holder and contacts for corrosion or debris, and clean lightly with a dry cotton swab if needed. Place the new battery into the holder matching the photo you took. Ensure the positive and negative faces align exactly, then press gently until it seats under the retaining clip. Rejoin the two halves of the fob, aligning tabs and snapping them together. Make sure no gaps remain. Test lock, unlock, and if applicable, remote start from a few meters away. If the key doesn't respond, reopen, reseat the battery, clean contacts, or try a second new cell. Loose or reversed polarity is the usual.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.